Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with Google Sheets trying to figure out how to type in multiple lines inside a single cell, then you're absolutely in the right place. Today I'm going to show you a simple but super effective technique for creating line breaks within one cell, so you can organize information, notes, or lists exactly how you want, without having everything squished together in a single messy line. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your spreadsheets look cleaner and more readable, just by using a quick keyboard shortcut. Let's jump right in. So normally when you're working in Google Sheets, you might move from cell to cell using the arrow keys on your keyboard, or maybe you just click around using your mouse. That's perfect for navigating, but what if you want to stay inside just one cell and type several separate lines, one under the other? For example, maybe you want to jot down a little grocery list or keep notes for a project, all neatly stacked in a single cell. That's what we're covering today. Start by clicking the cell where you want your multiline text to go. Just give it a single click and you'll see the cursor blinking, ready for typing. Now go ahead and type your first word or sentence. Let's say, for our example, you're making a quick to-do list, so type "buy groceries." Here comes the part that can trip some people up if you don't know the trick. If you simply hit the Enter key at this point, Google Sheets will move you down to the next cell below, rather than starting a new line within the same cell. Not what we want. Here's the secret. Instead, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then press Enter while still holding Alt. If you're on a Mac, it'll be Option plus Return. Once you do that, a new line will start right within your current cell, and your cursor will be ready for more text, just below what you already typed. It's like pressing Enter in a regular word processor, but it stays in the same spot right inside your cell. Now you can go ahead and add your second item, like clean the house. And guess what? You're not limited to just two lines. You can hold Alt and press Enter again for a third line, or as many as you need. Maybe you'll type Finish Project Report for your third item. Each time you use Alt plus Enter, you're dropping down a new line within that cell, keeping it all tidy and easy to read. This simple technique is really useful for formatting things like addresses, task lists, or any time you want to stack information vertically in one spot. It's a small trick, but it can make a huge difference, especially when you want your data to be easy to glance at or copy and paste later. If you ever make a mistake or want to edit your list, just double-click the cell again, and you can add, remove, or rearrange lines as needed. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get the hang of the shortcut. It becomes second nature once you've used it a few times. And that's it. Now you know how to add multiple lines in a single cell in Google Sheets, making your sheets more organized and user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you still have any questions or run into any problems, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.